Hello everyone. Now this video, I have made this video just to inform you about the exams which are going to happen in July to 2020 for ICSE grade 10th and 12th biology. As you all know, due to this lockdown situation, the exams were postponed, and ICSE has come up with a date sheet for these exams which are not conducted. So moving on, I'll be giving you the date sheet now. Now, herein you can see that this is the press release from the ICSE board, which says that conduct of remaining subject papers of ICSE ISC year 2020 examinations. I've highlighted it for grade 10th and 12th. For grade 10th, the exams will be conducted from 2nd July to 12th July 2020, wherein for grade 12th, it will be from 1st July to 14th July 2020. Fine. Now, this is the particular timetable for grade 12th, and we have it for grade 11th as well. For grade 12th, you can see the biology paper is on 1st of July, that's a Wednesday, at 11 a.m. So, your biology paper 1 is at 11 a.m. Wednesday, July 1. The other papers are also mentioned here in the date sheet. You can see it's business studies, geography, psychology, sociology, home science, elective English, and art and craft. Then moving on to the date and time of grade 10th. Grade 10th paper is on July 10th, Friday at 11 a.m. They have their paper, and that's a biology science paper. I have highlighted it. Rest of the papers of geography, art, Hindi, and economics will be conducted on the dates which are written before you, in front of you on the slide. Now herein I have also taken this format just to give you the instructions which are given by ICSE, which need to be followed during and while entering the exam and during the exam also. Now, important instructions to be strictly followed by the candidates appearing for the examinations. One is you should be ahead of time, which is given in every exam whenever you appear for any board exams. You need to be ahead of time. You should reach your center before time. Second is you must maintain social distancing in your movement. That means you should try to move in queues and try to maintain that social distancing while you are entering and leaving the halls. Then during the entry during the entry to and exit from the examination halls, candidates are advised to do so in a staggered manner and maintain social distancing norms. Now you are requested to wear face masks and cover and carry your own sanitizers. Use of gloves can also be there, but that is optional. Then point number 5 is to that the candidate should bring their own writing material, the stationery or the art material, whatever is required should be brought by the candidate herself or himself. Then the candidates are required to carry their admit cards or admission cards. Please find out your admit cards, search them wherever they are. If you have kept it properly, that's okay. Find them out, put it in your put them on your cardboards or and put it in your pouches, and please don't lose it. Now, rest is that when you enter, 15 minutes of the time will be given for you to read the question paper. That means the question paper will be distributed at 10:45 a.m. and the candidate will start the paper at 11 a.m. Candidates need to strictly follow all the safety instructions at the examination center. So, these are the instructions which are given by ICSE, which you need to follow while you go for your exams, because you need to follow all these instructions so that you don't fall ill and you don't get or catch any kind of virus or disease from some other candidate who is sitting. uh, Plus I'll also like to add in that this is the annexure, this is the press release which I have got from the official website of ICSE, which is there available for everyone. The website's link is there on the first slide. If you want to visit the website, you can go. It's available for everyone, you can see, and your teachers and the schools might also have told you about the dates. If not, so these are the dates. Any further change in date or any further postpone or changing of dates or whatsoever, I will be updating you if it happens. Plus we'll also be conducting live sessions to clear your doubts, plus to also discuss about the type of biology papers and all. So good luck, keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.